Hey guys, welcome back to another new craft videos. I hope you guys are all well and healthy. My name is Shagor and you are watching Swag Art and Craft. So guys, today we are going to make a small doll with cardboard. So without wasting any time, let's take a look how we can make the doll easily.
Take a cardboard roll like this. Take a piece of thermocol which is in a spare shape and a piece of yellow paper. Now cut the paper accordingly. Now paste the paper over the cardboard roll like this. Now paste the rounded thermocol piece on the cardboard roll. Then color it. I am using brown and white to make skin color. Using black for her hair. It's time to create her hands. Draw the hands on cardboard paper. Cut through the outline like this. Now attach hand one by one. Then color the both hands. Coloring her dress with deep yellow as the yellow paper which I pasted earlier looking little faded. Creating her shoes. Now it's time to design her dress little bit. Finally, draw her eyes and mouth. Thus you can make a doll easily.
I hope you guys like the craft ideas. If you like the video, you can click here to watch more craft videos like this. And if you have any question, you can ask freely in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. So that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And thanks for watching.